Hello and welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see tie-dye table runner designs. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to regular updates. Most dining tables are pretty bland. Let's face it, they simply serve as a sturdy space to enjoy your meals and chat with loved ones. But you can use your new appreciations for tie-dye to brighten up your table and throw down a few of this purple, pink and yellow batik placement. They add a stunning pop-up color and turn a so-so space into a so-fab space instantly. Batik is a cloth dyeing style with origins in Indonesia. Unlike traditional tie-dye, it's more precise, using line and dot patterns to create ornate fabrics. You can also find matching napkins and table runners in tie-dye, but as with our other decor ideas, don't overdo it. Too much tie-dye throughout your home will be overbearing. It will turn an exciting style statement into overkill pretty quickly. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to make your tie-dye table runner design. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.